Hello and welcome back to CountyLine TV. First and foremost, I just want to say thank you guys. We just announced last week that we were going to start hosting our own drift events in Indianapolis. And in the first week, we sold out of our driver spots. We had a low driver cap because it's our first event and we want to make sure that things flow well and we understand what we're supposed to be doing as hosts. So it wasn't a high driver amount, but we sold them all out and that's awesome. Thank you guys. The second thing I do want to note before we get into today's video is that there's now 338 of you subscribers or something like that. So if each one of you got 2 of your friends to subscribe, then we would be over 1,000 and I could give one of you or one of your friends that subscribes a car for free, just for subscribing. Don't forget we're doing that. Haven't even built the car yet because we're growing in subscribers so slow, but trust me, if we start to get subscribers built up really fast, I will build that car. So today we are going to be working with this really cool nitrous bottle mount. You guys just saw a little montage of. It's a really cool piece, but I am obsessed with the idea of having a roll cage mount nitrous bottle. So I'm going to cut that thing up. And it bothers me because it's a really nice piece. It's like really well built. Everything on it works really good. And I'm just going to cut it up. So kind of sucks to do that, but let's get right to it. Just like that. Even though my Corvette's really dirty, don't mind none of the mess. Haven't been to a drift event yet, I'll clean it out. Super satisfying project to complete. Just doing it all yourself, Well, I bought the bracket, but then I modified the living hell out of it. Anyway, doing all that was really fun. Super stoked on it. Couldn't have come out any better. I would weld it the rest of the way out, but that bottle's open right now, and we're kind of out of gas. So there was like enough in there that I still had enough flow that I didn't like get super crappy with the tacks that I put on there. But I'd be afraid to weld it out because I think that it would get super crappy. I think I'd actually run all the way out if I tried to weld that out right now. So once I get some more gas, I'll finish that. But that's neither here nor there. You see the finished product. You saw the way the bottle set was sitting in there earlier. I don't want to stick it back in. Oh, I probably could. I'll post a picture of the bottle back in there over the screen right now. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. That's tacked good. Anyway, don't forget to tell your mom to subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next video. Tell your friends to subscribe too. We're trying to give away a car.